Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send a photo through TikTok messages. Alright, let's jump straight into it, no more waiting. Now, here's something important to know. TikTok currently does not have a feature that allows you to send photos directly in messages like you can on apps such as Messenger, WhatsApp, Snapchat, or Viber. TikTok messages only allow you to send text and emojis, no direct photo sharing. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The only way to send a photo through TikTok is by creating a short video that includes the photo and then sending that video via message. Here's how. Go to the TikTok app and start creating a new video. It can be super short, even just 2 to 3 seconds is enough. Just record something quick to act as your video base. I'm doing it right now. I'm selecting this photo here. After a second, you can adjust the size and position if needed. Now you can stretch the video duration. If you want to keep the photo visible longer, maybe 5 or 10 seconds depending on how long you want it to play. Once you're happy with it, click the next button at the bottom right corner. Now it's time to post the video and then post. Quick tip, if you're using a face filter, be careful. Sometimes TikTok filters crop or distort images if your face is in the frame. To avoid this, try not to show your face in the background when you record. That way, your photo will be shown clearly. Once the video is uploaded, open it from your profile, tap the 3 dots on the side of the video, then choose the option to share via direct message. Now, select the friend that you want to send the video to. You can also add a custom message like this is the photo or anything else you want to say, then hit send. Now let's double check it, open the inbox, and boom. There it is. The video with your photo has been sent as a message. And that's it. That's how you send a photo in TikTok messages. Not directly, but attaching the photo to a short video and sharing it. There's currently no way to send standalone images through TikTok messages like you can with traditional messaging apps. So this method is the best and only reliable option for now. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.